Hey guys, and welcome to TechEls. If you're into electronic skateboards and going fast, then this video is for you. The Backfire G3. S2 brand new high-efficiency electronic system. The G3 has a battery system that is more efficient than most skateboards on the market. The battery has a high voltage of 50.4 volts, low current, stable charge, and no volt drop. The deck is made of bamboo with fiberglass. Top speed is 28.5 miles per hour. Backfire is on a roll. They have released tons of new boards in just a few short months. The LED lights below the deck turn on when you are in turbo mode. The flashing board lights can be annoying, but it does help you to be seen. Inboard M1 electric skateboard. The motor is what really makes the M1 inboard special. With in-hub motors, there are no bulky external drive train parts to get in the way, like on boosted boards. The top speed is 22 miles per hour, the range is 7 miles. With this board weighing 14.5 pounds, the max load this board can carry is 250 pounds, giving the inboard M1 a high-tech look and feel. With a top speed of 22 miles per hour, getting your adrenaline fix should be no problem. Meepo Board V3. Meepo electric skateboards are made to last. Featuring top quality decks, trucks, wheels, motors, grip tape, and more, you will love how much thought has gone into Meepo skateboard designs. The V3 is an upgrade version of the V2 that boosts 30% increased power from two 540 watt motors. Top speed 29 miles per hour. The standard battery charging time is 2 hours. Deck material is 7 layers of true Canadian maple. Complete sealing with glue, making the board water resistant as well as moisture and dust proof. It's the most powerful of all regular skateboards, so they claim. Onewheel off-road skateboard. The Onewheel is a self-balancing electric board, sport, recreational, and personal transporter. The Onewheel is made up of 5 main compartments: aluminium rails, controller box, battery, go-kart tire, and hypercore motor housed inside the metal hub. The top speed is 15 miles per hour. Charging time is about 20 minutes. They say once you get the hang of it, you'll wonder why nobody came up with a one-wheel design before. You'll know that turning a corner can be quite hard, that you have to lean significantly in order to make a turn. With the Onewheel, by contrast, you literally can zip and zoom around people. Fast and fun. It's really a ton of fun, and you will feel as if you've finally gone back to the future. Onward Carbon AT. To ensure sufficient range, they have chosen appropriate battery, the Samsung 30Q. This new product is suitable for experienced e-skaters and more uphill roads. With 3 speed modes, ergonomic design, and excellent soft touch material. No more connection losses, smooth acceleration and braking. An integrated LED display shows settings and battery level. They also included a vibration reminder for power and connection. Its weight is at 18.5 pounds. The deck is fiberglass bamboo and a flex design. They ensure that you'll be happy cruising. The RazorX Cruiser. This electric skateboard has a handheld remote which is very easy to use. It has variable speed control and can hit speeds up to 10 miles per hour. The battery lasts for around 40 minutes of continuous use. Very easy to use and very user-friendly. There is no assembling required and is recommended for ages 9 and up. The max weight on the board is 220 pounds. The colors are neutral, but we do hope to see more colors in the future. The deck is made from 5-ply maple wood, but when purchasing this, don't forget to include a helmet to make sure your kids or you are safe and protected when going on your ride. The Vestar 80 board, Black Hawk. One board, two styles. You can ride it 80 style or in the flat style. The 80 deck uses 2-ply bamboo and 7-ply maple, which is more flexible and stronger. It will provide you more comfortability, riding experience and better shock absorbing. They offer you 2 colors to choose. You can choose one color on your board and you can choose 2 colors also. Very cool if your board has 2 different colors. Each Vestar board has been treated with the basic waterproofing treatment, both inside and outside. Normally it could resist the splash of daily life. Note, however, you should try and avoid water intake at the power button and the charging port. The BLITZART Huracane 38. Enter the BLITZART Huracane. The BLITZART tries to find a niche as an affordable board with great style and good performance. For the most part, it succeeds in the mission. You won't get the same performance as you would with some of the top line boards, but you won't be far off. Designed as all-round longboard for cruising, maximum speed of 17 miles per hour, as well as a battery life of around 6 to 8 miles. This deck is made of layers of maple and bamboo. The lithium battery recharges in about 2.5 hours. Controlled with a cordless remote, hold options that lock the wheels when you're boarding. Don't forget to comment down below and tell us which is your favorite board so far. Exway X1 Pro has up to 16 miles of range. Not for the faint heart. Select the turbo mode in the app and enjoy this blastering speed up to 29 miles per hour. Hang on tight because the Exway is a speed demon. The power and speed is great, offering seasoned skaters speeds up to 29 miles per hour. The range is fairly good, though not amazing, and the handling is comfortable and confident inspiring. As a rider, you can set your setting to suit your style of riding. As a parent of the rider, particularly a younger rider who might be learning to e-skate for the first time, you can limit the speed, acceleration and brake strength on the e-board. That is a straight up peace of mind knowing that your little loved one is out there e-skating safe and comfortable speed. The ability to change the drivetrain is one of the most deafening features in the X1 Pro, and also why we think that a lot of people will be satisfied with this e-board. The Urban Portable Mini Electric Skateboard is the world's smallest, most portable electric skateboard yet. Never before seen design and portability, a top speed of 12 miles per hour and a range almost 10 miles. A quick connect true wireless remote. Charging time for only an hour. 17 inches long and only weighs 7 pounds. You can ride it to school, it'll save you time, and you can just stuff it in your bag after riding it. It has a great top speed, 12 miles. It's almost the speed of riding a bike or a commute to work, which is just about 14 miles per hour. Take it anywhere, even a plane. Enjoy the funnest 17-inch board in the world. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to comment down below which is your favorite skateboard. And remember, We are posting videos every single day, so please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Tech Ls.